Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing, and this is a special unboxing from Art and Soul. This is actually a Black Friday release, and I was supposed to do a sneak peek, but it came in late. So this is going to be considered now as just a first look, but wanted you to see what I have gotten. And I have Delilah. This is by Rabin Kubicek. It is a 45 by 67 centimeter, and it is a square. Now, these are my colors. I love, love, love these colors. This is pink and purple and green, and I am crazy about fairies. And so she is a fairy. You can see her purple and pink wings here. And I think she may be sitting on either a flower, is what it looks like, possibly a lily pad, I don't know yet. And she has a feather in her hair. So I think this is going to be so much fun. It is a perfect size. As you can see on the box, it does say Art and Soul at the top. Also, it is a premium licensed diamond painting kit, which means for us that Rabin Kubicek, who is the artist, will receive a commission for this particular canvas. So if you look on the back or the side here, it does say Art and Soul, artandsouldiamonds.com. I'll put their information below underneath the description. And this also says, let your soul shine. So let me unbox this and we will get to look at the kit. All right, the canvas does come in a very secured box. The box is a shipping box. This goes, and then the other box goes inside it. And our canvas goes in this. And then we also have it even protected by this cover. So it is well protected. Let's go ahead and open it. First of all, we have the inventory sheet. It gives us a photo here. This is on just regular copy paper, and it gives us all the information here. There are 54 colors on this canvas, and it tells you how many bags. We should have 57 bags at the top here. It also tells you how many bags of each. This one is 310. It has 4 bags. All of the other ones have 1 bag each. This is not your sticker sheet. It is just an inventory sheet if you want to check to make sure you have all of your bags and your colors. I keep this and put this in my logbook just in case that I happen to lose something, or if I need an extra photo here, I will use that as well. So let's move this. I cannot wait to open this one. And I want to thank Art and Soul, Melissa and Scott, for sending this to me to unbox for them, that they trust me to unbox one of their gorgeous diamond paintings. Now we have the sticker sheet. That's going to roll over just for a minute and I will straighten that up. We do have the sticker sheet here. These are individual stickers, so whenever you are ready to kit up, you can just take the sticker off and either put it on your bag, or you can kit up like I do. Now I prefer to kit up, so I do not use the bags, but if you want to use the bags, just slap one of these stickers on it and you will be good to go. There are 3 ABs here, and there are 3 Soul Dust. So we have a total of 6 specials in here. Again, we have the picture here. This is the one that I will use in my logbook. I like it that it's glossy and gives us the information again. And then it also gives us Art and Soul's logo. We also have a toolkit. Let's open up the toolkit. Okay, we have a pen. We have a scrunchie that you can put on your pen to help alleviate any hand pain. And We have a 2-placer that's already on here and a single placer. We do have some purple wax here. If you use this purple wax, make sure you take the plastic off or you will not be able to dip that into your pen. We have some extra baggies here to put any extra drills in. We have a 9-placer here, a tray, and then we have some very pokey, sharp tweezers. Make sure you always keep the sheath on so you not stab yourself. And this does say Art and Soul on it, so I really like that. And I do use the tweezers quite often. So I'm going to move the toolkit out of the way. And then let's take a look just at the color palette of these drills. Look how beautiful that these colors are. They are very bright. There's our 310s there. And we're going to look at the special drills in just a minute. But let's look at the canvas. Because this is poured glue, we can roll it, which is what I'm going to do, which helps to flatten it out. Their canvases are so soft. I love their new canvas, how soft that it is. I'm just going to kind of poke this around here just so we can see. And let's see how this is going to go. There's no way I can get all this in frame, but I'm going to do a pan over in just a little bit so that you can see how beautiful that she is. At the top, we have Art and Soul. If you also notice, all around the edges, it is sewn and scalloped, so that way it prevents fraying. We would not want our beautiful canvases to fray. On the sides, we do have our schematic. Bring that down here. We have a photo of what it's going to look like finished. We have our schematic here if you'd like to use a schematic. It is also on both sides. So on the right side here, we do have the same schematic. It's a little bit lower. If you like to flip your canvas like I do, I flip mine all around whenever I am working. And if you need to use the schematic for any reason, then you've got that. Now, we do have, I'll move this up just a little bit. This is all the information below. It tells you the name of the kit. It also tells you that it's copyrighted by Reagan Kubitschek. And then it gives you the information for Art and Soul. Again, I'll put that at the bottom. This is for sale now. If you'd like to go into their website, they are having a sale as of this recording, and it will last until the end of the year. Is buy 3, get 1 free. That is subject to change. Just wanted to throw that out there in case you guys are interested. There's also a Reagan Kubitschek event that is going to happen in February. So I'll put information for that as well if you're interested in the Reagan-a-thon. So let's take a look at this beauty. I just love how bright and how colorful just the canvas is. Also, wanted to show you guys, this is not too thick, it's not thin. I do like this cover, and you can hear the sticky on here. I do not have a light pad on. I just have a side lamp, and then the overhead light is on, and I can clearly see every symbol in here. Even this bright green on these flowers, on these leaves, I can see exactly what the symbol is. That's really good for me. And we have all kinds of things going on in here. There's flowers that's on the side here. And we also have her beautiful wings that's down here on the side there. We have flowers all over. We have feathers in her hair. We have also these gorgeous flowers that's also in her hair. And then we have a shadow behind her. Now it's going to be a lot of fun. It looks like there's going to be color blocking, and it's going to be some confetti, which means that there is a lot of different colors changing in a small area for confetti. I like a combination of both, so that is going to be perfect for me. So let's do a pan over so you can see this beautiful canvas. I wish I could show you on my table how beautiful that it is, but unfortunately, my table is not very long. So let me do a pan over and I will be right back. If you're not familiar with Art and Soul, they do come in the bags. The bags on here says 52. So you need to keep that number on the bag until you look for your sticker, and you simply find number 52, which is right here. And you will put that sticker on this bag. If you just want to use bags, you can put the bags in any order that you want to, stand them up, and then you will know what your symbol is. For me, with this, I will just be very careful when I kit up. I will kit up into a container, possibly an Elizabeth Ward container. Not sure yet, because I'm not ready to kit this one up, but I think this is the one that I'm going to do for the February event, because just looking at her, I just love her. I love her so much. I cannot wait to get started on this. If it weren't for me having to complete a couple of canvases for Christmas, then I'd go ahead and get her kitted up now and probably start on her. But I've got too many whips going, so I can't do that. But this is a Soul Dust here. And this is just gorgeous. It has just a little bit of glitter, if you can see. It looks like it has glitter on it. It doesn't, but it's what it looks like. That is going to be, let's see. It is going to be up here in her hair, up through here, and then over here. You can see, if you can see the dark, that real dark symbol, that's going to be where these go. And the yellows, this is one of my favorite Soul Dust colors, this yellow. I think it is just beautiful. And this one is going to also go through here in her hair. It's also going to go on the sides here where we have the light coming in, the shadow back behind her. That's going to be this color, and a little bit up in her feather. Then we have 54. Okay, that is this one. It's a darker green. That is going to be what I call, it's not a TB, it's like a T with a 2. It is also through her hair. So that's going to be really pretty. And then also down through here, part of her hair is where that's going to be. And then it's going to be some down through this way. And then a little bit on the leaf, which is for that yellow and for this. That's going to be really pretty together. Then we have, this is another one, 51. That one is what I call a U-turn. A U-turn sign. It is purple. So that's going to be through here, a little through here. And then also down here at the bottom here. And then we've got some up here in her wings. And the same thing, 49. This is an AB. This one is going to be, that's the one that I was just showing you, sorry. That one is the U-turn, and the other one is the 210. That is this one. Okay, so I got the symbols confused, but it's the same thing. There's all around the purple, so it's going to be all in her wings and all in her hair primarily. I can definitely see where I can add more bling to her. I think she would be gorgeous just to bling her up, especially like all the flowers around her. These leaves would be amazing to actually just do some in here, depending on how much that the Soul Dust is going to do for the leaves. May not need anything. Or even like these little bubbles. It's like bubbles that's on what she's sitting on. And those would be really pretty to do as some Soul Dust there. Just to sprinkle some Soul Dust in on this flower. I'm assuming that's a flower. It may even be her dress. Maybe this is just her dress and she's not really sitting on anything. But it could be whatever you want it to be. I will be able to tell more once I get into this. But I think she is just a beauty. And all these colors are so bright and so inviting. I think this would be perfect for a spring kit as well, like early March. But I am definitely going to put her on my to-do list for February because I'm going to do her for the event. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button. Also, if you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so. I have other videos coming out this week that is a first look from Art and Soul, and they are gorgeous. I would hate for you to miss them. So click on that subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell so you are notified of any future uploads. And as always, happy diamond painting. Bye.